In page number 91, second bit, read the following sentences, write true or false in the brackets. First one, Bodhraj was an excellent shooter. True. Second one, Bodhraj used catapult to hurt his friends. False. Third one, there were kites young ones in the ventilator. False. Fourth one, Bodhraj saved Mina's young ones. True. Vocabulary. Read the following words. These are the names of the young ones of animals, birds we know. See in your textbook, page number 91. Eaglet, calf, kid, gooseling, duckling, lamb, piglet, cub, owlet, puppy, kitten, chick. These are the names of the young ones of birds and animals. Commonly, the young ones, babies of birds, are called as chicks. Choosing from the above box, fill in the blanks. The young one of a cat is kitten. Answer is kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Second one, dog is a puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Third one, tiger is a cub. So the young one of the tiger is a cub. C-U-B, cub. Fourth one, eagle is a eaglet. So the young ones of the eagle is a eaglet. E-A-G-L-E-T, eaglet. Ninth one, cow is a calf. C-A-L-F, calf. So the young one of the cow is called calf. 10th one, sheep is a lamb. L-A-M-B. The young ones of the sheep is a lamb. 11th one, goose is a gooseling. G-O-S-L-I-N-G, gooseling. 12th one, the young ones of duck is a duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Work in groups and complete the concept map given below. One is done for you. Birds I know. So already they have given Mina. We can write down penguin. P-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D, wood. P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Tailor bird. T-A-I-L-O-R, tailor bird. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. Cuckoo, C-U-C-K-O-O, cuckoo. So these are the names of the birds you have to write down in your textbook. In textbook, page number 92, grammar is there. Read the following sentences taken from the story. My friends rarely came to visit me. See the word rarely, which is written in bold letters. Bodhraj quickly ran and pulled up a table. see the word quickly. In the first sentence, the word rarely talks about the verb came. My friends rarely came to visit me. So, it rarely talks more about the verb came. In the second sentence, the word quickly talks about the verb ran. Such words are called as adverbs. So the adverbs are the words which convey information about how things happen. So adverb is a word which describes how, where and when an action took place. So it describes more about the verb. In the above sentence also, it describes the verb came. My friends rarely came. So it is describing, rarely is describing the word came. So it is an adverb. Bodhraj quickly ran and pulled up the table. So it is describing the verb ran. How he came, Bodhraj? He came quickly. So quickly is a adverb. Here are some more examples. Raju ran very fast. He spoke to her kindly. Come soon. The bell is ringing. See page number 93 in your textbook. Read, sing and enjoy the song. Let's run slowly. Let's run quickly. Let's have fun. Let's stamp hard. Let's drink fast. Let's have fun. Let's go low. Let's climb high. Let's have fun. Let's write neatly. Let's write nicely. Let's have fun. Let's speak softly. Let's talk sweetly. Let's have fun. Underline the adverbs in the above song and write them below. So, in this poem, the underlined words are adverbs. So, you have to write down in the blanks given. So, slowly, quickly, neatly, nicely, low, high, hard, fast, softly, sweetly. In page number 95, prepare a signboard to avoid hunting of birds. Save the birds and animals. Let them live on the earth. You can write down this signboard in your textbook. Bodhraj and Bhishma met the next day after the incident. Now write the conversation between them. You may begin as follows. Bhisham, Bodhraj, what have you got in your hands? Bodhraj, I have seeds in my hand. Bhisham, why did you bring the seeds? Bodhraj, I brought the seeds to feed the birds. Bisham, excellent. Come, let's feed them. So this is the conversation between Bodhraj and the Bisham. Fun with words. Fill in the blanks as directed. Read the words aloud. Add EE, add EA. Meet, meet. Greet, great. GREAT, great. Bear, bear. BEAR. See, see. SEAC, SEEC. Week, WEEK, week. Week, WEAK, week. Sweet, sweet, sweat. SWEAT, sweat. Beat, BEET, beat. BEAT, beat. Now see textbook page number 96. Be reading bird talk poem. It is a poem. Glossary is given. Jay, blue jay, the state bird of Telangana, that is Palapitta. Beetles, an insect. Bird talk, be reading, bird talk. It is a poem. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. Beetles are insects. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So children, this is a poem in which two birds, robin and the jay, are singing this song. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. You can see the rhyming words here, jay and day. Sitting, talking. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Rhyming words, grow, know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Wings and things are rhyming words in this stanza. Things said the robin. Things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Jay and way are the rhyming words here in this last stanza. In this poem, the birds are different from the human beings. The way they grow, and the human beings don't have feathers at all. And the human beings don't eat beetles. as the birds. They don't grow wings. So human beings don't have wings, but the birds have. They don't like sitting on wires and things. So the human beings can't sit on wires and things. So the birds are telling that human beings are funny to be that way. So they are telling that human beings are so funny for the birds.